G'day and welcome back to Plant Profiles, and today we're looking at another outdoor plant. This is the Dahlia. Now, dahlias are a flowering annual plant. They will die back each year, but they have a tuber. That tuber will survive so long as it doesn't get too cold. I generally hard winter these guys because it doesn't get super cold here in Melbourne, Australia. So essentially I just leave them outside. But if you live in a much colder area, you might want to dig them up, store them in a dark place, in a dry place, ready to be planted in the following spring. They have these absolutely beautiful flowers. Actually, I need to pick this one now. They like to be headed from time to time throughout the growing season to continue to encourage that growth. And they are really lovely blooms to have in your garden. As you can see, this is just a beautiful dark shade of purple. You get lots of different varieties, lots of different colors. I have a number in my yard and they're just gorgeous. They originated in Mexico, in South America, where they've been described in Aztec texts for a very, very, very long time. They were taken over to Spain in the 1500s and they were cultivated there a bit more, and from there we get a much wider range of dahlia through hybridization and selective breeding. What a lovely plant. They prefer well-draining soil because they are a tuber. If it's allowed to be soggy, then they're much more likely to experience mold and rot, and that's no good for them. And they like plenty of sun. Slightly acidic loam is what they prefer, but they can grow in any soil so long as it's not too soggy. Great plant to have. It is the Dahlia.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.